To explore the in-call host control in JioMeet.com during an ongoing call on your Windows device, tap on the participants icon and click on Users in the call drop-down to view all participants. To mute all participants, click on the Force Mute icon and confirm your action by selecting Yes. An acknowledgement of your choice will pop up. Click on OK. Similarly, click on Undo Force Mute and confirm your action by selecting Yes. An acknowledgement of your choice will pop up. Click on OK. Click on 3 dots against the participant's name for more actions like click on Unmute tab to allow the participant to speak. And to mute, click on the mic icon. Click on 3 dots and select Ask to start video to begin video presentation. To end, click on the 3 dots and select Stop video. Click on 3 dots and select Make co-host to appoint the participant as co-host and click on Yes to confirm your action. Click on 3 dots and select Remove to remove the participant from the ongoing call. To end the call, click on the Leave icon and select End. Confirm your action by clicking on Yes. See, it's that simple. Happy meetings!